Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the motion blur effect to your video in CapCut for PC. So this is super simple. You are just going to select your video you like to edit. Right, edit right, and you're just going to go to back and select video effect, and you can find the um, or you can find the lens. Just select motion blur effect at the tray. Just body duration is something with the video. You're just going to um, set for the option right here, body horizontal, and then strength, like so. You can see for the final result you have on your video. Alright, that it's different with the mobile version. But yeah, I hope it helped you. Alright, and if you have any question, please type in the comment section below. So thank you so much for watching.